everyone. Thank you for joining us today at Miller Motorcars McLaren Greenwich showroom. My name is Justin Conda.
And I'm Alexei Katkov. Today we'll introduce to you a beautiful lineup of our GT coupes.
I'm standing in front of a beautiful 2020 McLaren GT. This one's finished in Pacific Blue, a McLaren heritage color over a vintage tan interior. You'll also notice on this one that it does have the MSO black pack along the skirt's front and rear bumper with the machine-faced wheels on the exterior. In the interior of the McLaren GT, there's two different specifications you can do. You can do either the Lux specification or the Pioneer specification. The specific one I'm in has the Lux specification in it, which is going to give you a full leather interior. This one being specific to Lux in vintage tan, as well as a full leather ceiling. You'll notice in the McLaren GT, like the one I'm in right now, that it does have the brushed aluminum steering wheel, paddles around the screen face and around the center console. This is something you're going to find in a lot of the McLaren GTs, but mainly in the Lux specification. One thing you will notice on the McLaren GT when it has the Lux package on the exterior of the vehicle is it is going to have a machine-faced stainless steel exhaust tip.
Allow me to introduce to you a stunning 2020 model McLaren GT Coupe in Amaranth Red. This color is a part of the Elite paint, which is extremely exclusive. It gives you just a bit more metallic in depth. The color under the sun is simply stunning. This particular car has a MSO black pack. Black pack includes all the ground effects in high gloss black finish, mirror casings in black, as well as the window trim in black as well. This particular GT has beautiful 15-spoke forged wheels finished in high gloss black. The calipers are in black, finished with silver McLaren logo. The GT has premium pack, which includes fully adaptive LED headlights finished in chrome design. It has Barza-Wilkins 12-channel audio system. It has also a power tailgate that operates fully remotely. Rear section of the car offers massive storage. It is fully wrapped in McLaren super fabric designed specifically for high durability, and it will last simply forever. There's also a luggage strap that's included here in order for you to secure the luggage. When you enter the cabin of the GT, this specific car will welcome you with a Barolo interior, which is mixed up between Alcantara and leather. It's a beautiful, sharp, very sporty contrast with very subtle styling. You could find beautiful stitching as well as the inserts in darker red. The entire interior is finished in black leather as well as black Alcantara. This Amaranth Red GT is priced just under $250,000. My favorite feature here is the sports exhaust, and I'd like you to experience it.
Our next McLaren GT that we're going to have here is this Onyx Black with the MSO black pack around the car and fully blacked out wheels. A nice sleek look to the car with a nice contrast of the interior having the vintage tan. One thing you'll notice in this McLaren GT's interior is going to be the carbon fiber wheel as well as the shift paddles in carbon fiber. This is a little bit different than the standard option of brushed aluminum, giving it a little more of a sporty feel rather than the more luxurious feel that the GT is standard with.
Allow me to introduce to you this beautiful silica white McLaren GT Coupe with MSO bespoke Apex Red interior. We have designed this car with MSO black pack, which will include all the ground effects in high gloss black finish, as well as mirror casings, trim over the windows. Every McLaren GT comes with staggered wheels, 20 fronts and 21 rears. This specific GT, because of the premium pack, comes with 15-spoke forged wheels finished in high gloss black. You can see red caliper with black McLaren logo on it. Vehicle lift is available in this car. It will raise up the front axle by approximately 2 inches. A beautiful touch to this interior is the interior components that are finished in carbon fiber.
Black leather interior. The other options you can do is the vintage tan, as well as a full lighter colored tan called porcelain.
This 2020 McLaren GT Coupe in stone gray exudes understated style. You'll be able to travel stealthy on a daily basis and not get tired of the car. This specific coupe is finished with the MSO black pack. Again, all the ground effects are finished in high gloss black, as well as the mirror casings and window trim. Welcome to the interior of the McLaren GT. This specific coupe is equipped with beautiful Pioneer Barolo design interior. There's a nice contrast between leather and Alcantara. And like other GT coupes, this specific car is lined fully in the back with Barolo leather interior. Please take a look. This will be very appropriate for any luggage or golf clubs you have to store for your ride. Thank you for joining us at Miller Motorcars YouTube channel and McLaren division. Hope you like the exclusive content we provide. Please state in the comments which was your favorite GT spec, and I hope you could join us for a test drive soon. You could always reach out to me, Alexei Katkov,
Or me, Justin Konda, or you can come by our showroom anytime, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 p.m., Saturday 9 to 4 p.m. at 348 West Putnam Avenue in Greenwich, Connecticut.
Thank you.